I hope you guys enjoyed the trailer. I'm really hyped for the update that's dropping soon. Y'all seen the release date at the end of the trailer. Anyways, I want to explain a couple of things that are going to get added in this update. And the first thing I want to explain are the scrolls, because we added a scroll system. So there's going to be different sea events which drop unique materials. And then you can go into the craft menu to use those materials to craft together different tiers of scrolls. And those scrolls you can enchant weapons with. So I'm going to show you how it looks right now. So I go to the Dragon Talent stage right here in the new area. Click enchant, go to sword, and then use a mythical scroll. This is what the animation looks like right here. It's gas, I'm telling you. All right. And basically you get different types of buffs for your weapon. So right here you got beast level 1. Beast level 1, which increases the damage dealt to beast users by 3%. Increases speed from NPCs by 15%. A lot of stuff. Increases money drops from NPCs by 45%. That's OP. And you have life steal right here with vampiric, and you have a chance to get unique stuff as well. Skills have no cost. Damage dealt is increased by 5%. Cooldown is this thing can fly. I'm telling you. We're not playing around this update. You can be flying around in boats the whole time. And there's different ones I can fly to. There's another small one that I got showcased in the video. But yeah, here's one of them. Probably one of my favorite ones. Let me know what y'all think about this in the comment section down below. I think it's hype. I'm not gonna lie. Also in the trailer, there was a bunch of different sea events that I did not show. So just know there are more sea events that are not shown yet, all right? And once y'all get to playing, y'all gonna see it for yourselves. All right, next up, I'm gonna showcase the Shark Anchor, which is the newest weapon in the game right now, and probably one of the best looking swords in the game. I've shown a bit in the trailer and it looks absolutely insane. Y'all cannot tell me it don't. All right, anyways, I'm gonna get to it. Alright, next up is a new fighting style, also known as Sanguine Art. Let's get to it.
Quer dar mais pique para suas compras? Muda pro PicPay Card com limite garantido.
Muda pro PicPay.
Alright, so next up I want to showcase the sound fruit, which is the newest fruit in the game as well. So basically, before I showcase it though, I want to explain one thing, which is the tempo system. So the sound fruit has a max tempo mechanic, which is charged by holding F long enough. So I'm going to show y'all right now. You see the tempo meter going up? When that thing is maxed, the user and nearby allies gain a shield that reduces incoming damage by 20%. Their speed is increased and the defense is buffed. And not only that, all the skills that are used while in the golden mode turn gold as well. This is what it looks like normal. And then once you get max tempo, you can see the speed difference as well while I'm flying already. Yep, your boy going fast. So right, now all my skills are golden. All right, I'm gonna get to the showcase now.
窓から覗き込んだ下界を駆け抜ける勇者よ何が好きか嫌いは互いの情入念を探して彼の好きやまり
Alright, last but not least, we also have a new manga that just dropped, and I'm gonna put a link in the description. Here's a couple of panels I'm gonna show y'all right now. A big shout out to Bread Artiso, Kentagu, and Toby the Artist for working on the comics. Anyways, I also want to say shout out to you guys for being so patient with us. We know we took a while, but this update's been huge. And also big